Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok video as a draft without posting it. First thing, you want to launch the TikTok app, then you want to hit the plus sign in the middle of the settings menu, then you want to pick what you want to upload. In our case we select this particular image over here. Let's say for example you want to edit whatever you want to edit over here. We can change the filters, right? We can change it, put some more landscapey vibe, right? You can add some stickers, mentions, locations, whatever you'd like to, right? Move around any type of settings you would like to, guys. And then let's say we're ready, we move on, we press next. Now let's include the title, right? All the hashtags, we tag people. And then the last type, let's say you don't want to post it right now, so we want to hit on the lower left side, we want to click on drafts. Okay, now let's say you log back again in the app after like a couple of days and you decide to proceed and post it, right? Let's click on our profile, and when you go to your profile you will see that the drafts actually saved usually where the location for the pin posts will be. Even though if you have a pin post, the draft will still push down the pin post. This draft will be saved as a priority. So you want to click on it, and now you have two options. If you want to delete it, you gotta click select on the top right corner first, and then you click it, and then you click delete on the bottom. But if you really want to proceed with this post, all you gotta do is to straight click on the actual post, then click next, and then all you gotta do is to click post. This is how simple it is. Sometimes the app works a little slow, and in another video I'm going to show you how to make it work faster. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.